Test. Alright, morning guys. So we're doing a new trade now, quick day trade Aussie CAD we're going to do. But in terms of last night, we got the Swiss move down. I don't know what we're going to do anymore. It seems to be increasing they seem to be decreasing their shorts, so I'm not really going to stay with this too much longer. We got the move, that's it. Now, one way of looking at these numbers, the most important way to do this is to ask yourself how much of an impact these numbers being created are causing an impact on the bottom line here. And we look at the 8 day as the bottom line, the main quota. You always got to go with the highest time frame because they operate on a higher time frame than we do. We think that you just die and that's it, and they know that that's not true, so they keep a bloodline going, and they're in it for the long term. So the higher the time frame, the better. So what are we seeing here? Earlier on, 8 day was minus 28 reds in CAD, and at that time dollar was plus 27. Now dollar is plus 29 and CAD is plus 8. So CAD's had a 40 point move, difference in price. Earlier it was displaying this at minus 13 and we were around here. It's now popped since. So we we know that these numbers are causing this move, so we are in sync. Aussie over here was 8 day 45 and it's gone up to plus 54. So their numbers down here have caused a 10 impact up there, whereas the CAD numbers down here have caused a 40 point impact up here. So we're anticipating these numbers here to get positive, the 8 day CAD, and the Aussie to start decreasing. That's what we're looking for. So we'll bring this chart over and we're selling it when we see this all happen. We just hold right now. We want to see if New Zealand is going really strong, though. We have to be careful, but it's not. It's only increasing by 4 because we got to look at the Aussie and the New Zealand as one index together, like a competing currency. Two countries competing. They want those currencies to be close. Same with dollar and CAD. Look at them as a competing currency. So you could see the dollar CAD index versus the Aussie New Zealand index. If we look at it that way, we'll see an even bigger picture on this thing. And now we're just anticipating these numbers here to start falling. So we know it's 52. We'll write that number in. 8 day 52. And then we'll keep watching it as time goes on. We want to see 40s and then 30s. And then we know that these numbers are causing an impact on this. So everyone's here buying and they're just going to get screwed. It's that simple. Because the market makers are selling, but the retail are buying. So 95% of the retail people are always wrong all the time. So if we know that, then we've got to go the other way. Anyway, that's the video. I'll come back to this once we start to move down. Thanks a lot.